The World Robot Conference 2022 was held in Beijing. Due to the pandemic, only Chinese robotics companies were represented offline, while the rest of the world joined online. But the Chinese booths were, as always, a lot to see. We gathered the most interesting things from the largest robot exhibition in today's video. Let's get started. The Chinese robotics market is rapidly developing, and China has remained the world's largest consumer of industrial robots for 8 consecutive years. Furthermore, China is increasing its production of industrial robots every year. At the World Robot Conference 2022 in Beijing, many industrial and medical robots, as well as robots for logistics, agriculture, and construction, were on display. Unfortunately, some notable companies such as Xiaomi and UB Tech Robotics did not attend the conference. Xiaomi had recently presented its Minoid Cyberone robot, while UB Tech Robotics was absent with their Walker robot. Despite this, the exhibition had a variety of bionic and anthropomorphic robots that attracted visitors' attention. One of the most impressive booths was at X-Robots, which is the leader in the research and development of intelligent humanoid robots in China. They maintain a leading position in the world for bionic skin and mass production capabilities of bionic robots. The company's humanoid robots are designed to have a high degree of resemblance to humans and can perform complex tasks. The robots have bionic skin that can simulate human touch and have advanced sensing capabilities that allow them to interact with humans more naturally. One of the company's most impressive exhibits was the Science and Technology Museum of the Future, which combined humanoid robots and meta-universe technology. At the exhibition, X-Robots showcased a range of humanoid robots that resembled various famous figures, including scientist Albert Einstein and Taiwanese pop singer Teresa Tang. The company also showcased a sympathetic robot and a robot avatar. One of the most interesting exhibits at X-Robots was a robot avatar that replicated one of the company's employees. The robot avatar uses a camera to analyze the movements and facial expressions of a living person and repeats them to another robot. According to developers, another robot was created to understand human emotions and respond to them accordingly. CloudMind's Technology, a Chinese developer of humanoid service robots and facial recognition systems, showcased the Cloud Ginger XR1 at the World Robot Conference 2022 in Beijing. Cloud Ginger XR1 was one of the most popular exhibits at the conference, entertaining visitors with its dancing abilities. The robot can move smoothly, thanks to 34 smart flexible joints in the neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, arms, waist, and knees. Equipped with multiple 2D and 3D cameras, LiDAR, ultrasonic sensors, microphones, a tricycle chassis, and universal wheels, Cloud Ginger can also sing, move autonomously, and avoid obstacles. The graceful humanoid robot is 158 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. It has a rather attractive appearance, which made it the winner of the Chinese Red Star Design Award in 2020. The robot can listen, speak, and its possibilities are kind of endless for this type of humanoid, from education and care for the elderly to service in hotels, business centers, participation in advertising and promotions, public events, and entertainment shows. Unitree Robotics showcased several RoboPod models at the World Robot Conference 2022 in Beijing. The company opened the show with a grand dance show of 100 Go 1 dogs. Unitree Robotics specializes in creating cloud-based systems and terminals for remote control smart robots, various programs and platforms for training artificial intelligence development and cloud security. The company has a diverse product line which includes small, medium, and large dogs that have different applications. For instance, the small dog is used for research, education, entertainment, and escorting. It can be a guide dog for the blind or help take care of elderly people at home. Medium and large dogs are mainly used for patrols and inspections at petrochemical plants and power plants. Robots Go 1 went on sale publicly only a year ago, and the company has already sold about 10,000 copies. It is worth mentioning that Unitree Robotics is the only Chinese manufacturer of robots that has received the European, North American, Japanese, and other quality conformity certificates. All the company's robots can be equipped with additional equipment, including a manipulator. The China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation demonstrated the GSY-3 underwater intelligence bionic robot at the World Robot Conference 2022 in Beijing. Developed by Keqiang, The robot is mainly used to popularize scientific achievements. Beijing Polytechnic University also showcased its developments, including a bionic arm, a jumping robot dog, and an anthropomorphic robot. According to the creators, the anthropomorphic robot can run at a maximum speed of 7.3 kilometers per hour, jump at distances of 1.06 meters in length and 53 centimeters in height. Direct Drive brought its mobile two-wheeled robot Diablo to the exhibition. Diablo combines the features of a traditional wheeled AGV and a multi-leg robot. Its legs can bend and straighten independently of each other. Due to its design, the robot weighing 23 kilograms can jump up to 8 centimeters, and the maximum height of jumping on the spot reaches 14 centimeters. It remains stable when overcoming obstacles with a height of 5 centimeters, and one leg can overcome obstacles with a height of 10 centimeters. The maximum payload of Diablo can reach 100 kilograms with bent legs and 4 kilograms with straightened-out legs. The operating time without recharging is 4 hours, and the cost is $2,300. Meituan's smart sorting and delivery solution, as well as their next-generation unmanned delivery vehicle, were impressive exhibits at the WRC. Meituan has been a leading company in the service sector in China for 12 years, specializing in the delivery of various goods and providing services such as marketing, supply chain management, and finance. Their unmanned couriers have already covered 1.5 million kilometers and delivered 2.2 million orders in just 800 days. It's great to see medical technology being highlighted at the WRC. The rehabilitation robots and exoskeletons showcased by AI robotics have the potential to significantly improve the quality of life for those with mobility impairments. The robotic tents installed by Sun for PCR testing could also prove to be a valuable tool in the fight against infectious diseases, especially in regions with high population densities. Conclusion: the World Robot Conference 2022 in Beijing showcased some of the most innovative and advanced robotic technologies from China. The exhibition displayed a wide range of industrial and medical robots, as well as robots for logistics, agriculture, and construction. The Chinese robotics market is rapidly developing, and China has remained the world's largest consumer of industrial robots for 8 consecutive years. We also saw some exciting developments in medical technology, including rehabilitation robots and minimally invasive surgical systems. The WRC 2022 demonstrated China's position as a leader in the development of cutting-edge robotic technologies. That's all for today's video on the China's robots are actually taking over the world. We hope you enjoyed learning about the latest advancements in robotics and technology in China. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting videos like this one. And if you have any thoughts or comments on the topic, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.